So traders, good morning everyone. Guys, first apologies, we had some issues this morning with the live stream, something on YouTube. Now everything's sorted out. The only thing is that the MetaTrader is not responding on my end, so I'll try to see what else can we do. How are you guys doing today? Seni, good morning. Theo, my friend, you are looking good today. Thank you so much, buddy. Appreciate it. How was your last week? Give me some thumbs up. Tell me about your trading activity so far. Good morning, Athena. Good morning, everyone. X-Man, hello to all. Hello, X-Man. Senjik, can you tell me something about the USD Canadian dollar? I took a long position last week. Should I stay in or bailed out? We will have a look. Guys, please write on the chat what currency pairs you would like to see today. And I'll try to get some time to see what alternative I can do with MetaTrader. USD/JPY, please. From YouTube, guys, please let me know what currency pairs you would like to see. Let's see if I can go to MT5 web. Or we're going to end up with TradingView. All right. So as usual, let's check the disclaimer. And just to read aloud that this content is for general information only and is not intended to provide any trading or business advice or any personal recommendation. And thank you so much for your understanding. As usual, later on, I will record the podcast and upload it on the website. And please make sure you listen to that. And for new traders here, you can download the mobile application on your device. Thank you so much for this. So let me share. Actually, I would like to check the news as it's been a while. So the economy calendar. Today 19, let's go until the 23rd. So tomorrow, based on this calendar for the high impact news, we're going to have the Reserve Bank of Australia meetings minutes, building permits in the US. Expectation is to see some higher number that can bullish the US dollar for a while. On Wednesday, though, inflation rate in the UK, expectancy is to see a drop in the number. And for the rest, I will go through on the podcast, so you will have the opportunity to listen to that. And guys, 10 days left and 8 hours for the 5th Market Talk series. And this time I will be hosting Mr. John Bollinger. We're going to talk about Bollinger Band, of course. So please make sure you register here. I know it's been a while to talk to you guys from the live, so it will be good just to mention all this stuff. And let's, guys, today, only today, I will be showing from the trading view, simply because my MetaTrader is not responding. Okay, it's not something I will show tomorrow again, just for today. Thank you for your understanding. And when we are ready, we're going to go to trading view officially, but not now. So let's start. That's the way I set up my platform. That's how I watch the pairs. Okay. And because I choose to have a subscription with a trading view, it just helped me for my multi-time frame analysis. So Jose Carlos, good morning all, good morning. Jose PK, hi Mr. Carlos, good morning guys. Zarabayat, good morning Theo, welcome back. Thank you so much Zarabayat. Janice, good morning to everyone. Good morning Janice. US Darshan, how are you doing, my friend? USD/JPY, please, and pound US dollar. What drive this rally past 1.25 after a long time? Thank you. And guys, the US dollar is just pretty much selling off. So we see this. Okay, talk about the pound. That was a question. Mainly, we see the pound driving higher. That's the pound. For me, reading the market, we are in an uptrend. It was in an uptrend. We never had any signs of a downtrend. Now, the reason why, of course, traders and investors are optimistic about the sterling performance. And as you can see from this long-term downtrend, the market, it wants to change direction, of course. That's how the market moves, ebb and flow. Now, in regards to fundamental interest rates and all this stuff, definitely is what drive mainly the currencies, inflations, and so on. Now, let's start with the US dollar. Just bear with me. I'm going to delay, let's say, 15 minutes this webinar because we had a 10-minute issue in the morning. So Euro US dollar, if we go on the weekly chart, we see that last week we end up very bullish. Now, I do have this area of resistance up here. And that's the first one. Let me just take out some lines from here. Sorry, guys, I wasn't prepared to use the trading view today. That's why I didn't prepare either my charts. So this one here, it's a strong bullishness on behalf of the euro. So next area of resistance is up here, but we have this nice inside resistance from this candle, as you can see at this point. This point here, we are clear from the two on the left and one on the right. So this retest, maybe it's gonna help the US dollar to gain some strength or the euro to retrace a little bit. Mainly I trade on the 12-hour time frame. This one here for counter trend trades, it offers a lucrative opportunity. And when I trade this kind of setups, I just enter here short with a stop loss above there and usually take profit down there. Very, very high risk trade. High risk setup. It's not something that I do always, but when we have these long candles here, we know that the market most of the time it just retraces about 50%. So bias for the euro US dollar is I expect to see some more weakness down here, and of course we do have a nice trend line, an upward trend line as we call it at this point. Okay, so the market somewhere here can find some support. Also notice that this one here is also it's a nice support area. Okay, so the market can find support here. Now, if we're going to take the counter trend trade again, It's yeah, it is high risk, but when these moves occur, they occur pretty fast and pretty sweet. So if we enter somewhere there short, stop loss must be above there, take profit somewhere here. And the next one, Australian dollar, US dollar. Again, on the weekly chart, we had this strong move to the upside. And next area of resistance is up here. Usually I have different colors on TradingView because it's much easier for support and resistance. I just put them on the default. Guys, when we're going to go officially on TradingView, I will maybe make some videos and send them out, or I will show you during the live webinars how to set up your charts to be very easy and clear, if you like. So market, it's in this bullish momentum. We do expect the next area of resistance to be the 0.7025, 26 area, somewhere there. If we go on the daily chart, if you are trading on the daily chart, we broke above this range, and we are looking to see some continuation. Now, this is one of the very, very interesting price action setups. Now, the daily chart, it shows that two red candles followed this momentum, upward momentum. Therefore, if today we're going to see a small relative body and we're going to end up pretty much like this, if we're going to just range on the intraday charts, then a nice buy stop above this high with a stop loss below this low, that will be an ultimate trade for me to take the continuation. Okay, so that's how I trade the trends. Pound US dollar, another good opportunity. If we go to the 12-hour chart, we will see that when we say to read candle by candle, we mean, you see this candle here, very strong buying momentum. Then the next candle wasn't that strong, as you can see. And then the next candle again wasn't that strong. At some point, we do expect to see some retracement, of course. USD Canadian dollar. Someone, Senik said that you bought it. Senjigs, sorry, not Senik, Senjigs. USD CAD, you took long position last week. You took long position, but where is your stop loss? When we take long positions, guys, we make sure we have a stop loss. And when we take short positions, of course, okay. You need to know where this trade is invalid. For me, from this 12-hour chart or this weekly chart, I can see that now we created a lower high and lower low. So lower high, lower low. On my execution time frame, the 12-hour chart, I see that lower highs and lower lows, and I really expect continuation out of this. Now, we have this resistance, and there is either this resistance here or this resistance there. So guys, we are in a downtrend. The way I see it, the time frame I trade, it shows downtrend. Now, if you go to the 5-minute chart, yeah, at some point you're going to see an uptrend. Okay, but now it's a downtrend. That's what I see. Guys, any other currency pair? Someone said USD JPY. Weekly chart. See how clear it's on the weekly chart, guys, this one. The pattern I described for trend continuation, uptrend continuation, we have green candles, and then when we have a higher high, the retracement followed is with very small candles. You see the bodies are very small. So small bodies, it means lack of momentum from the sellers in this particular case. And then a buy stop above here explode the price to the upside because that's trend continuation. If we go to the daily chart, we're going to see that a small range here and a breakout occurred, or on the 12-hour time frame is not that clear. Okay, it's a bit of complex pattern here, but what we identified is a strong uptrend. Now, we do have this resistance here at this point. And the price, that's the weekly chart. The lower time frames you go and you zoom out, you're going to see more distance between the current price and the resistance. We do expect some more push to the upside around the 142 level. Let's check the Bitcoin really fast on the daily chart. Market, it's very, if we try to channel it, market is trading with this within this valid channel to the downside, and it's just moving sideways. I'm always, to be honest, I'm always bullish on the crypto. I don't trade them on leverage. I just buy and hold, or I sell for profit. That's the only way I do it. Gold, daily chart, nice bullish candle with this rejection here. So someone expected the price to move higher, and the price moved higher, but we had this resistance in place that stopped the move. Dash hand, I'm waiting for the pound sell opportunity as part of some retracement. Yes, that's a good way to play it. Let's check the DAX 40. Guys, I cannot open a trade here, but I will try to make it very clear for you if you want to take the trades today. So exactly at this resistance, market is retracing. Zoom out a little bit, nothing major on the daily chart. 4-hour chart. We have this support very far away from the current price. This doesn't help us at all, but we are sitting at this support. So if we go on the 5-minute chart, maybe you're going to have a nice breakout. 1-minute chart here. Okay, so pretty much 1.5 minutes, close to 2 minutes for the London Open. Today is Monday. We're going to see much of volatility in the market. What I would have done in this occasion here, I will put a sell stop below this area, below this low, and a buy stop above this one. The reason I'm not going to go for a buy stop here is because it's Monday. Market, it's going to just go in with too much volatility. So I wouldn't place a buy stop here, guys. I would have placed a sell stop. I cannot show you here because the MetaTrader again is not responding from my end. Let's try one more time and see. And this one here, it's going to be the target. Now we will see if the price, it's going to, come on. This doesn't move. Oh my God, really today? DAX 40 today on this particular platform is not responding. UK 100, I don't know if Rumor is here and takes some long positions, but considering the fact that they pretty much move together, let's see this resistance. No, this doesn't move at all. Senjik, Theo, my stop loss is at 1.31. Thanks, bro. My name is like Yankees, like New York Yankees. Yeah. So maybe some move on the gold. Gold also has a good what's going on with this today? DAX 40 index. Okay, let's try to take it from here. Guys, I don't know what's wrong with DAX. Guys, on your MetaTrader, is DAX responding? Today, our session wasn't as I expected to be honest, because the MetaTrader is not responding at all. Not so on trading view. DAX is not responding. Yeah, Carlos, I restarted several times, unfortunately, but doesn't do anything. I'll try to delete and reinstall the application again. DAX is getting down on MT5, right? That's good. Swing trading, same problem with DAX. Also, gold doesn't move. Aviator, yes. And it broke to the upside and went to the stop. Okay. Yeah, so another person said that there is a problem with on trading view with the DAX and the gold. They don't respond. Now let's see if the UK it's going to break to the upside. Anyhow, the opportunity for the UK was either to sell below here, guys, or to really we wouldn't have gone a buy stop above this strong resistance. We don't buy the resistance. No need to do that. WTI. WTI is moving sideways. We are within this ranging area. So this is the top and this is the bottom. Yeah, your chart on the DAX looks different from on my MT5 Aviator. I believe that is so true. So from tomorrow, we're going to be back to normal with our charts. Theo, how can I disable arrow of auto trading popping up on my MT5? You just do right click, you go to settings, and somewhere here it's going to be, I don't remember exactly where, but please have a look on these sections, maybe trading, buy and sell buttons or something here. Good morning, Sorin. Good morning. DAX is work for me. Okay, that's great. So guys, any other currency pair you would like to analyze? Let's check the pound JPY. Actually, pound JPY, Aussie JPY, Euro JPY, everything is in an uptrend. Okay. So the Euro JPY here, we have this resistance. This broken resistance that's going to act as support if the price is going to retrace. There is also an upward trend line. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 touches, so that's a tentative trend line. It can be tradable on the bounce. In regards to the 12-hour time frame, we can see it's overextended the move here. If we use the FIB extension, we see that the price surpassed the 1.618 FIB extension, and it went beyond that 200%. So we will wait for a kind of retracement here, kind of correction or retracement. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, same. Resistance is up here, and support can be somewhere in the middle of this candle, but also we can see the market retest the recent broken resistance, and that's this area here. So that's for long-term trading activity. Up here is the accuracy of the trend line. Yep, so this one here, bullish, pound, US dollar, Aussie, Euro against the JPY, all the four against the JPY are bullish. Now, if you are gonna attempt to trade counter trend trades, nothing wrong with that. Just please be mindful to have very, very accurate stop losses. Don't try to play it like we do on the live trading, because we are in front of the computer, and at any fluctuation, we just close the trades. If you're going to trade this to the counter trend at some point, please make sure you have accuracy on your stop losses and don't leave the market just to move and hope that it's going to come back to rescue your entry. Aussie New Zealand, it's nothing here, guys. Aussie CAD reaches this area of resistance, strong resistance. We see that the market rejected and pushed to the downside. The best way to trade this counter trend trade is to find the support and resistance levels and execute from there with the price action. USD Canadian dollar, we explained that, and I said that I'm bearish on this one because we have a downtrend. Guys, I cannot tell you buy or sell or get in now or get out of the position now, simply because I'm not allowed it to say any personal advice. Okay, but I'm expressing my opinion based on my experience in trading and reading the charts. This is a downtrend, and I don't see any buying. I don't see there any support here to buy. Support is down there. The next area of support is down there. So I wouldn't be buying this one. I will just wait for some retracement to sell. Now, if you bought somewhere here, I don't know if the price is going to retrace today or if it's going to continue to sell off. I don't know that. So the way I'm looking for the USD CAD is in this time frame is to see some retracement at some point somewhere a bit higher from this price and to sell it onwards. Guys, I think that's all for me from me today. Tomorrow I make sure that the MetaTrader will respond so we can place our trades there on the live trading. Again, I would like to say a big thank you for your patience today mainly. I hope you find some value in this webinar. So I wish you happy trading. Please make sure you engage with your podcast later on. Give me a couple of hours and I will upload, I record and upload it. In the meantime, thank you so much for attending this webinar. I wish you happy trading and I look forward to see you again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you.